Hello guys, my name is Slav and welcome to my garage. Today we're going to have another interesting adventure connected with that Ford Capri. As you remember in the previous video, you may look at this hint. We made it finally run and drive. Finally, it's not just... What are you doing?
Это гир снял.
So, right now, this car run and drive, but it doesn't stop. It cannot be, it doesn't have any brakes. And we had an issue, we had a problem some days ago. Here it is.
Притормози меня, брат, тормози меня! Что-то случилось, мужики?
And today we're gonna continue doing that Ford Capri. Today we're gonna make the brakes. I have to tell you one serious situation, what happened to our Ford Capri. As you may see, these wheels are now hidden inside of these arcs and they look smaller. This happened because we have to swap the original part of the wheels. It is the original Ford Capri bridge to Russian ladder bridge, because carbon shaft it does not fit to that bridge, and we decided to swap them because they have similar properties, but Russian ladder has less weight. So I thought that was a good solution, but unfortunately this part is a little bit shorter. That's why these wheels are hidden right now inside of that arc. And we're gonna solve this problem a little bit later. I think we only need a bigger wheels and make them wider. So we're gonna make this beautiful, but a little bit late. Today we're gonna make the brakes. So this is a tank for a braking fluid, of course. It is written here, brake fluid, and also Vernanden. It's German. I'm sorry. Use only let's have a look what is written here. Use only original brake fluid. Where should I get it? The original brake fluid. Oh my gosh! Look at this. It's so dirty in there. It's a problem actually. We have to clean this up before putting brake fluid inside. So otherwise we won't have any brakes, unfortunately. We have to clean that thing. We have to remove the air from the system, and we have to make our back wheels brake stops. So this is an old brake system. I don't know if it's still working, but it looks so rusty and so dirty. We're gonna disassemble it first, and then we will see if it's even working. So, as usual, during our process we have some problems, even troubles. Give me that thing. To connect this thing to the main brake contour, we have to use that thing, that metal thing. We have to change its form, and it's gonna be looking like this. So somehow from here to here and to here. And I'm not sure if it will work.
Hello guys, my name is Kirill. I like cars very much. Please subscribe to channel. Это я без тебя мог сказать.
Unfortunately, I could not find the original brake fluid. I'm sorry for that, but this one is not bad, but this is the cheapest one we have. But anyway, for checking the entire system is okay. Right now I'm gonna pour this brake fluid into the tank. My friend Kirill is gonna be pushing the brakes, and the camera operator is going to be looking at another end of the braking system to see when it starts pouring through. Let's see if it will work. Hopefully it worked, and now we are going to finish our job with the brakes. So we spent a lot of time for rebuilding that thing. This is a brand new braking system. So, as you may see, a lot of stuff has been made. We have been added a new this thing for the braking system. This thing is a brand new, and we rebuilt the standard fluid tank, and now it looks like this with these two rubber things. Of course, it's not like a factory new, but we did our best. This is not a standard project, and we also saw that the brake cylinders are completely broken, and we decided to put a new ones, also from Lada. Anyway, right now it should be working, so let's check this thing out. And also I tried to manage this electronics because it was working badly, and now I trying to rebuild it and make it work as it should. So again, we have to use wires to power the thing up. So now let's try out how our brake system works. One second, please. Nice! We have to set up the carburetor to let it work correctly and not to stop when it wants. So guys, it's been a long time, around 40 years since this car was just staying on a junkyard. It wasn't need to no one. But at this moment we repaired this stuff, we reconstructed, we restored that thing, and now since 184 this thing can run and drive, and I will show it to you today. Start the engine, my friend. Oh, it's not working. We have to do something with the carburetor, and maybe the next system we have to look at is a fuel system. But now this thing can run and drive, and this is the most important thing. Just imagine this car, this engine is about 40 years old and it still run and drive. By the way, the engine is in nice condition. It's okay actually. So we don't need to do a lot of stuff to make it work correctly. We just need to set up the fuel system and everything will be fine. I hope so. Anyway, I hope that you like that video and leave your likes and comments down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see more new videos about this Ford Capri and other interesting stuff we are doing in that garage and outside. By the way, I think the next step is to paint it finally. So we need to set up the fuel system and it will be ready for the paint, I think. So stay tuned and see you soon. Bye bye.